Welcome to Dialogue 14.
Now, we can speak English. We can ask questions. We can reply to questions. When do you want to speak English?
I want to speak English soon.
I want to speak English very soon.
Why do you want to speak English?
I want to speak English to work.
I need to speak English.
What do you need?
I need to eat because I am hungry.
How do you learn English?
I learn English online.
Who do you speak English with?
I speak English with my teacher. She speaks English very well. She is a good teacher.
What do you do?
I do not understand. You do.
That is normal. There are two do's in English. Do is an auxiliary. What do you eat? Do is a verb also. I do work. You do the work.
We do something. They do something as well.
Do you understand? Can you do English grammar exercises?